Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Easy Way to Decor Home and Office. I am back with easy Rangoli video which I have created in this Diwali. Please have a look. These are the materials which I have used. It is also mentioned in the description box. Let's get started. At first I am fixing the stencil on the plastic sheet to trace the Rangoli pattern. I am using cellotape to stick the pattern on the back side of the plastic. Now we are ready to make the Rangoli. At first we will change the nib of the black outliner. Now we will draw the outline of the Rangoli with the help of that black outliner. If the cellophane sheet is not available, then we can also use the transparent file and join 2 to 4 sheet to make a big sheet out of it. We will follow the same process to draw the outline of the complete Rangoli. Once it is done, it will look like this. Let it dry for 2 to 4 hours. For better result, we can also leave it for 24 hours. Once the outliner is completely dry, we will apply the colors. I will also share the stencil pattern on my Instagram so that you can check it. After applying the colors, leave it for 2 to 4 hours to dry it completely. My Rangoli is ready. I hope you love this video. If you are also trying this Rangoli, then please share it with me on my Instagram, that is Crafty Krishna Goswami. If you like this video, please do like, share and comment on this video. Thank you and very happy Diwali.